So I've got a question for you today. Do you know how to use the power button on your computer? What a stupid question. Of course, everyone knows how to use the power button on their computer, right? Well, maybe, maybe not. So, are you aware that if your computer is on and you press the power button, that your computer will go to sleep? It doesn't shut it off, it just goes to sleep. This can cause a lot of problems. I've had people that, they get the pop-up that yells and screams at you, tells you not to turn off your computer, and really the thing you need to do is turn off your computer, and that's the only way you can do it. And so they'll press that button and it stops. Then they'll press it again and it comes right back, and then they're like, oh no, it's coming back. No, you didn't shut your computer off. To really turn your computer off, you have to press and hold that button until all the lights, all the sounds go off. This usually takes 10 or 15 seconds. Once you do that, you can press that power button again and your computer will come back on, and that's what's called a hard reset, or there's different terms, but that's usually what people call it. So again, press it lightly, that puts it to sleep. Press and hold, that shuts it off. This can solve a lot of issues. When you have computers frozen, can't move, that's how you can solve some of those issues sometimes. If not, call me, we'll work on it after that. Thanks.